Hey, what's up everybody? It's Johnface Moto. Today I figured I'd do something a little different. I'm at work. I'm going to look at a disaster tile floor installation. The customer called me last night, said that she just paid a guy to do her floor in her basement, and I guess it came out really bad. So now I'm going to take a look at it, see if I can see what I can do with it, if anything. If it's too bad, I'll probably walk away from it. Depends on how much money she wants to spend. I run into this a lot. I'm a general contractor. I do home renovations, remodels, and I get a lot of calls from people that were trying to save a few dollars and they didn't do the research on the contractor, and they get left holding the bag because either the guy screws them over and just takes off with their money, or he comes in and does a really garbage job. I keep telling people, I see this a lot, and I keep telling people to do some research on the guy or company you're paying, because if they decide to just walk away and you don't really have any recourse. So make sure you check their licenses, or at least get a copy of their business certificate or insurance information. In Massachusetts, you have to maintain, depending on what it is, you have to have a construction supervisor license, and there's all different categories: roofing, siding, windows, and it goes all the way down the there's about 7 or 8 of them. Or you can just, if you have a construction supervisor license, unrestricted, it covers everything. So, and you have to be registered with the state with the HIC program, Home Improvement Contractors Fund, and that way it's set up so if somebody screws you over or does a bad job, you have some kind of recourse to get some of your money back, hopefully, or at least figure something out. A lot of times these guys just come in and they make promises. They don't have any credentials. They come in with a low bid. They snake the job away from me because they're so low, but there's a reason why they're so low. So make sure you do your due diligence and get at least 3 estimates on a project. Check everybody's information. Make sure they check out, because if not, there's nothing stopping them from just bouncing with your money. And now you're going to call me and I'm going to have to come in. Now you're going to have to pay twice as much for a project that could have been done one time and be done with it. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me to this inspection. We're going to go check it out and see what happens. All right, take it easy.
Sorry, John.
Oh, no problem.
My neighbor's saying something and I don't see him.
I was taking a little quick video. conclusion on this video, I'll just give you an update. The floor obviously had to come out. It was a terrible installation. There was severe lippage everywhere. There was no bond between the thin set and the tile. Some areas were harder to get up than other areas. It was about close to 400 square feet of tile that this guy installed. Just want to make note that I'm not trying to, I'm not putting the tile installation guy down. I don't know what his situation was. Something must have happened with him. Or if he had intentions of screwing this person over. I don't know. I think he just got over his head. I suggest to people, if you have some kind of question about your installer, go down, don't let him get too far ahead. Go down and inspect his work when he leaves if you're uncomfortable with him being there. Check every day. If this person, this customer, checked on the progress of this guy, she would have noticed that it wasn't being done right. And I guess halfway through she said something to him, and he basically said he knew what he was doing. When it's all done, it's going to look awesome. With tile or any kind of like cement or concrete, if you're working with it, it is what it is. Once it cures, it's that way. The tile's not going to miraculously self-level itself if there's noticeable lippage and sagging, or if it's crooked. Once that stuff sets up, that's the way it is. It's not like something where you can finesse it back and looking good. It's either right or it's wrong. Hopefully everything was okay with that guy. I don't know what his situation was. Like I said before, I'm not trying to put anybody down, but it's the homeowner's responsibility to just check on, get some references, some photos, talk to some people that he might have done work for in the past. It's just a lesson learned for this customer, unfortunately. We had to demo it. It's got to the whole floor's got to get leveled off. The concrete slab is in terrible shape. I suggested that she goes with the carpet and just call it a day. It's a rental property. I said, if you get carpet, get a good quality, decent quality outdoor, indoor carpet, with the proper underlayment for a concrete slab. In 5 years, if you get 5 years out of it, you got to replace it. It's not a big deal. Tile, the demo, the amount of tile that was laid, it became a big deal. So unfortunately for her, she's going to have to pay twice as much now to get the floor done in her place. But lesson learned. I felt bad for the customer, but I run into this a lot. So be careful out there and inspect your installer's work. Don't let them get too far ahead. And just do that and you'll be all right. And once again, thank you for watching the video. Please give it a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be coming back with some more home improvement disaster videos, a few installations, and some other content coming up. All right, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.